All right, so the first thing you have to do is you have to go and find whatever clip art you have or that you want. And you're looking, if you want to have the white around it, then it can be any type of file. If you don't want white around it, so you want it to be like a clear background, you have to look for a PNG file, or you can put in transparent. Sometimes we'll find it. If you have trouble with it, send it to me, or you can, Photoshop. You can put it in Photoshop and take out the background and save it as a PNG, and it will come up just fine. So you need to find whatever it is that you're looking for, and then you need to save it to your desktop, save it to your computer, save it somewhere. Okay. And once you've done that, when you're in Citrix, this is where you go to get to your book. This is where you need to put the pictures. So you click on it, click on Dr. Mona Jane. We want to upload it from my device. I just put this on my desktop. I don't remember which one it was. Oh, it's not my desktop. That's why. There you go. All right. I think it was this one. It would click on it. It will upload it, and then it is in your if you click on here. Now there's your pages. So if I take and I make a box and I go all the way to the bottom, I can click and drag and put it in there. Okay, DPI means that the picture doesn't have enough resolution. So if I make it smaller, then you would be able to use it, and it does not have a background. So let me know if you still have problems or questions. I should be in tomorrow and Thursday morning, and I can show it to you there also.